Monitor the flow rate on the rear quarter panel.
Flow is steady. Paint thickness is uniform across all metrics.
Okay, hold it right there. Level 2 is clear, bring it up slowly.
Status updated to departed. Check the seal numbers.
Confirmed. All green on our side.
Send the final confirmation.
All units showing active GPS and tracked status.
Confirmed. We are cleared for release on the afternoon manifest.
Checksum complete. Ready to archive.
Confirmed. Finalizing compliance report.
Lane 4 is clear for the next sequence.
Copy that. Just finalizing the inspection on lane 3. We are good to go.
Perfect. Look at the CMM report on screen 3.
I agree. All critical dimensions are green across the board.
Filtration systems are nominal, and energy consumption is stable.
Confirmed. The environmental check is complete.
The emergency stop here is fully functional.
Good. Mark that as compliant on the checklist. Stability index spiked right here during the final assembly. Okay, let's cross-reference the transformer load data.
Review this section of the chassis assembly carefully.
particularly the high stress points.
How does this affect the safety rating?
It exceeds the required standards.
This route covers the exterior bodywork and the alignment checks.
Okay, I've noted the headlight verification for sign-off.
As you can see, the cycle time reduction hit 15%.
Yes, the quality scores are robust across the board. The finish on the SUV is flawless.
The Q3 delivery forecast for the chassis components is lagging behind schedule. We need to review the supplier's capacity.
I agree.
If we look at the life cycle data here, the efficiency gains are significant.
Yes, especially considering the power output.
The simulations correlate.
The heat map highlights the idle time on the assembly robots.
Exactly. We need to factor that into the Q4 depreciation analysis.
The wheel arch clearance looks precise.
Confirmed. Ready for archival.
This seam alignment here is critical for the aerodynamics.
Yes.
The energy consumption metrics look promising for the chassis assembly.
Yes, and the emissions reduction is significant compared to the engineering philosophy held up well. Our KPIs are exceeding targets.
Yes, the timeline accelerated post-refinement. We should document this process.
Keep the dolly movements smooth and steady.
Maintaining speed, boss.
Good. Let's hold this angle for the next cell.
Look at the temperature gradient here. It's holding perfectly within tolerance.
Yes, the environmental controls are performing optimally, exceeding the targets.
The aerodynamic profile matches the encrypted schematics perfectly.
And the documentation confirms our exclusive rights to this specific chassis design.
Emergency overrid status confirmed on page 12.
Verified. Seal is intact and procedures are updated.
According lesson learned, the seam tolerance requires adjustment.
Agreed. I'll update the standardized procedure immediately.
This concludes the
engineering summary for
the SUV platform.
All manufacturing data and chassis specifications have been
verify the stabilization schematics against the physical records.
Confirmed. Retention status approved for 50 years.
TSM is fraction.
The supply chain vulnerability for the navigation components is still showing amber.
However, the mitigation plan is progressing.
Final checks complete on the suspension mount.
Acknowledged. Report is green.